Hi, my name's Mark Butcher. I've been working in and around Hwange National Park for over 40 years now. And I'm here today to tell you about what I believe is a really exciting safari opportunity. Last year, the folks at Wildlands dreamed up our Water for Hwange Safari. We had our inaugural trip last year in June, and what a trip it was. Not only did we see incredible wildlife, meet fascinating people, and travel across some vast landscapes, but what we really did, and this was the best part of it, was that we made a meaningful and actual difference to the lives of a lot of people, a lot of wildlife that live in and around Hwange National Park. We had a heck of a lot of fun doing it too, and I think I can honestly say is that on all fronts it was a huge success. Based on that, to maintain the momentum, this year in 2020, the folks at Wildlands have put together two of these trips. One is in June, to be hosted by my good friends Chris and Alexis Moriarty, and that trip's all filled up already. But the later trip that kicks off on the 27th of July is hosted by my good friend Mark Sissons, who's a fascinating character in his own right and also has an intimate knowledge of Hwange National Park. And this trip has a few spaces left. This trip is going to see incredible wildlife, great wildlife. It's going to do some amazing things too. And like I say, what's really great about this trip is it really makes a difference to people's lives. The poor people that live around Hwange National Park and actually inside Hwange National Park make a meaningful difference to the wildlife that lives in this very harsh and dry landscape. So to sum up then, get hold of folks at Wildlands to hear more about this trip. And for those of you who have already signed up for the trip, I and my team in Hwange look forward to meeting you later this year and showing you around this wonderful wilderness that we call Hwange. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.